Hello guys, welcome to Data Hacks. In this video, I'm going to explain about module scope. Before learning that, you have to have the good understanding of module and how we can import or export the modules in the other folders of modules. So I will provide the link in the top right corner so you can have the good understanding of what is module and local modules. So here in this module scope, we are going to create a new two folders and run initially. First, going to the spec file, I'm going to remove this. Instead, create a variable called name and provide the value Bharat. Again, I'm going to create a new folder 2.js. Here, again I'm going to create a constant name Vijay. So in index, let's clear this one, and here required path. First, I'm going to import the spec file. The same way, second, I'm going to import the spec2 file. So in this both folders, we have names. So first of all, let me run the two files which are imported in the index. After running this, we don't have any results because we have only variables, doesn't have the consoles. So I'm going to provide console name. So names. Here I'm going to provide same and change the name variable to names. Now again I'm going to run the index.js file. Two variables has been consoled. So we have two modules, but you can see here both modules have same variable. So how Node.js understand this the scope of the variable? Here Node.js use the module scope while importing these variables. How Node.js will understand here means it will create function like this, self-invoking function. Here I'm going to provide all the values and paste it here, and it is going to be a self-invoking function. Here again change the name. So you can see here two functions which we have imported previously. Now we have created here. If we run, so here we didn't provide the semicolon, that's the issue. Here the terminal, run again. Now you can see the both variable has been declared within the functions, so Node.js will not get confused. So the core idea of using this self-invoking function is nothing but the imported values will be considered as a separate function. It will wrapped with the self-invoking function. So these two modules will act as a separate self-invoking function here. We call this as the immediate invoking function express. So with this we can use the which can be reused multiple times and the system will not have any complexity in understanding of the scope of the variable. In next video I'm going to explain about the module wrapper, so please continue with us to learn about the modules in Node.js. So I'm going to provide the quiz question. You can answer the question in a comment section. So please explain the understanding of your own understanding of scope in modules. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this, hit the like button, subscribe the YouTube channel. You will get the updates on time.